everybody, we are glad to meet you again. We are very happy and proud to announce that one of our students, Anirudh Surya Narayan, who is pursuing his final year in engineering from Global Academy of Technology in computer science, is placed recently in Infosys. Hi Anirudh,
Hi, sir.
how are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. So, Anirudh, without wasting any time, we would like to know your experience with respect to Infosys.
Yes, my experience in Infosys was really nice.
Okay.
So, let me get into the detail aspect. So, Infosys basically has three different rounds. Actually speaking, just two rounds, which is first is the aptitude round, and the second is the technical. So, it is basically technical plus HR round combined together. In my case, it was different. I'll get to it later. So, the aptitude has three different sections. The first is the quantitative part.
Okay.
The second is the logical reasoning, and the third is the verbal reasoning. So in quantitative aptitude, you have 10 questions. In logical reasoning, you have 15 questions. And finally, in the verbal reasoning, you have 40 questions with 35, 25 and 35 minutes allotted respectively for each of the sections. So this was the pattern of the Infosys paper. Yeah. So, and after this, in the quantitative parts, you get questions under the topics, I think, profit and loss, speed, distance and time, time and work, algebra, probability, permutation, combination. Yeah, you get they cover the major parts.
Of the
Yeah, they cover it.
So, quantitative, you told that permutation combination was asked. They asked with respect to what is
Permutation, combination, profit and loss,
profit and loss. They asked
speed, distance, and time, and all of that.
time, speed, distance. They asked, and even algebra. They asked.
Yes, even algebra. Yes.
Okay. With respect to algebra, what were the type of questions? Which were asked?
The basic questions which were asked were like the squares, including different degrees of polynomial and all of those.
Okay,
questions.
okay. Polynomial expressions.
Yeah, polynomial
they had
expressions.
asked. Okay. And what about topics like number series?
Yes, correct. Number series, I think one or two questions. I think one question was asked in number series.
Number series.
Yes.
And what about topics like average?
Average, I hadn't received any question
Not
regarding
on average.
No,
And
not
what
on
about
average.
Percentage?
Yes, percentage they asked.
They
Percentage
had
they
asked
asked.
about percentage. Okay.
Two questions, I guess, were
Two
asked in
questions.
percentage.
And what about ratio proportion?
I didn't receive any question.
Any question on
No, sir.
ratio proportion? Age problems?
No, age.
Not. Okay. And what about questions on mixtures and allegation?
No. So the thing is, the test which we attended, it had 4 different sets of paper.
Okay.
So there were few common questions and few uncommon questions. Like my friends who had a different set of paper, they received questions regarding ratio and proportion, mixtures and allegation and average, all of that.
Okay.
So it was basically completely diversified and
Okay,
equally distributed.
You
Yes.
mean to say that the others had received topics like mixtures and allegation, ratio and proportion, which you couldn't.
Yeah, which I didn't receive
fix.
in my paper. Yes.
Okay, so basically they have covered almost all the areas of aptitude.
Yes,
You mean
yes.
to say that is the quant
The
part.
major domains.
Major domains. Okay, and talking about aptitude, that is the quant part. How would you rate the level of difficulty? 0 being the lowest,
Yes.
and 5 being the highest.
I would easily put it around 3.5 to 4.
3.5 to 4.
The difficulty of questions, it was posed in such a way that people with average intellect can answer it, can crack it. Yes.
Okay. So you mean to say that Infosys is not that simple also? It is not
That hard.
tough also.
It is kind of in the middle.
Okay, so if you prepare properly, you will be able to crack it.
Yes, easily.
So 10 questions from quant part, and there were 35 minutes which were given for it.
Yes.
Am I
35
right?
minutes. Yes.
Okay, fine. So majorly questions were asked on profit and loss.
Yes.
In quant part.
Quant.
Profit and loss, they asked any other
Speed,
topic?
distance, and time and work.
Time and work.
Yes.
Time and work, time, speed, distance, and profit and loss were the most important topics which he received.
Yes.
And there were 4 sets of papers, and 1 set is what he received. The remaining 3 sets had remaining topics also, along with common topics. So basically, the quant part, they are trying to cover all the topics and distribute to all the students and through the 4 sets. Am I right?
Yes.
Now coming to the logical part. In the logical part, as you told that 15 questions were asked,
Yes.
and they had given 25 minutes.
Yeah.
So can you please share how was the question?
So the topics under which the questions were posed to me were syllogism,
Syllogism.
data interpretation,
Okay.
seating arrangement,
Okay.
blood relations.
Blood relation.
Yes.
So blood relation, seating arrangement, syllogism, as
Data
well as
interpretation.
Data interpretation
Yes.
were asked for you.
Yes.
And I have seen a lot of papers in Infosys, and even I have trained on crypt arithmetic. What
Yes.
was crypt arithmetic?
So the thing was, not everyone received crypt arithmetic.
Okay.
I didn't receive crypto arithmetic, but my friends who had different sets,
Okay.
they received 2 to 3 questions in
On
crypto
crypto
arithmetic.
arithmetic.
Yes.
Because Infosys common question is crypto
Crypto
arithmetic.
arithmetic, yes.
So again, it depends among all the 4 sets. Few people might receive it, few people might not receive it. And what about the remaining logical topics, like if I ask about coding and decoding?
No, I didn't receive anything.
Not
under
received.
coding.
What
No,
about
sir.
your friends?
Yeah, I've few of my friends received a few questions in coding.
Coding and
decoding.
decoding.
Yes.
Okay, coding, decoding. What about clocks and calendars?
Yes, clocks question I had received.
Okay.
I think 2 questions in clocks.
Clocks.
Calendars, my friends received questions in calendars.
Calendars. So 2 questions on clocks. 2 out of 15 is a good number of questions which they were asked, and his friends were asked on calendars.
Yes.
Okay. And what about topics like direction sense?
No, sir. I hadn't received anything in directions.
On direction
Yes.
sense. Okay. And what about non-verbal reasoning, Anirudh?
No. What I recollect is I hadn't received anything.
You did not.
non-verbal.
What about your friends? Did they receive non-verbal part?
I guess they did.
1 or 2 questions.
1 or 2 questions. Yes.
Okay. So this was about the logical part. Again, they have covered most of the parts, but the most important part would be blood relations, syllogism, and data interpretation, which is asked maximum questions out of 15. So moving on to the next section is the verbal
reasoning.
section. So
Yes.
how did you find the verbal part?
So the verbal reasoning had 4 major topics,
Okay.
to be precise. The reading comprehensions,
Okay.
fill in the blanks, phrase or paragraph completion, and synonyms and antonyms. Actually, the funny incident is, in my case, so as I mentioned, 35 minutes, 25 minutes, and 35 minutes allotted for each of the sections respectively, which is quantitative aptitude, so logical reasoning, and verbal reasoning. Because of your time management techniques, I could solve the logical reasoning and the quantitative aptitude very quickly.
Okay.
So I had more time to spend on verbal reasoning.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, that was very helpful. But the funny part is actually not funny, which is scary.
Okay.
So I spent more time on questions, thinking that there were only 30 questions in verbal. I didn't know there were 10 more questions left.
Okay.
So there were last 5 minutes left, and I had to submit the test. And when I clicked on the next slide, I still saw that 10 more questions were there.
That is quite dangerous.
That was very scary. So, and luckily it was sentence correction one.
Okay.
So I could somehow manage 4 questions,
Okay.
and remaining I selected the option, and I got selected only because I got I spent very less time in the first 2 topics, and I answered more than 70% of the
Okay,
questions.
so he's this is, please do not repeat this.
Yeah.
Before you attend Infosys Live, please know the pattern. 40 questions will come from verbal. Don't think that you have attended 30, it is end. No, we are learning from his mistake.
Yeah.
So 30 questions, thankfully that he had covered all the RCs.
Yeah.
10 questions were not on RC. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah.
So 10 questions were not on RC.
RC,
So
yeah.
how you told that 4 major topics which was asked was synonyms and antonyms.
Yeah.
And then fill in the blanks was asked. And then they asked on
Sentence
RCs,
corrections. and all.
sentence
Yeah.
correction, and then the passage.
Yes.
So I have heard that passages are asked more in Infosys.
Yeah.
What do you
So
say?
yeah, there are 3 passage questions in which had 5 sub questions, which are actually counted as the main question itself.
Okay.
So 3 or 4, 3 is guaranteed. So 3 passage questions had, which had 5 sub questions in it, which I had invested more time in that because it was not a small passage.
Okay.
It was like half a page, 3/4 of a page question. Sorry, passage. So that was it.
Okay. So basically, they're asking 4 to 5 passages, and each passage will have approximately around 5 questions.
Yeah, 5 questions.
So 5 into 4, 20 out of 40 are from passages. This is minimum.
Yeah.
So 50% of the questions on verbal are from passages.
Yeah.
And that will take a lot of time.
Yes, it will
Right?
take a lot of time.
So please be careful whenever you take up passages. See through that you answer as soon as possible. Try to complete quant logical at the earliest so that you get more time on verbal. I think that helped you, which you mentioned. Okay. So RC is 20 questions were asked. What about synonyms and antonyms?
Synonyms and antonyms, 2 to 3 questions.
2 to 3 questions
Yes.
were asked. And what about sentence correction?
Yeah, so the rest of the topics were equally distributed. Like around 2 to 3 questions were asked.
From
Yes.
sentence correction
Corrections.
as well as?
Synonyms, antonyms, sentence correction, fill in the blanks, and yeah, that was
fine. So this was about the verbal part. Verbal part is the most important part in Infosys. Why? Because maximum people are rejected in verbal part.
Yeah.
Do you agree with me?
Yeah, totally agree with you because it has more number of questions, which requires more time.
Okay.
So people tend to spend more time on verbal.
Okay.
So there's a problem in time management. So they'll not be able to answer the quantitative aptitude, neither the verbal part. Yeah.
Okay. So now that we are done with the aptitude round, now let us move on to the next round, that is the technical round. Okay. So Anirudh, can you please share your experience, how you found the technical round?
So technical round, generally in Infosys, after the aptitude round, it is just a single round, which is technical and HR combined.
Okay.
So the technical round was it was actually a weird case for us, sir. 10 to 15 of us, we were made to attend another round.
After the
technical round.
Okay.
So I'll explain more about it later.
Okay.
So the technical round, how it worked was approximately 15 minutes was allotted per student. So the interviewer who took my interview, she concentrated more on the topic which she asked was my field of expertise.
Okay.
So technical round, how we were prepared was we learnt all the basics of coding and computer science related subjects.
Right.
So first she asked me my field of expertise, and I mentioned my field of expertise is machine learning.
Okay.
Because I had done a course in machine learning.
Okay.
So all the questions which were asked were mainly on machine learning.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So on machine learning, she asked, because you mentioned that in your CV.
Yeah.
So what were the questions asked on machine learning? You could give a explanation about what you told, and on that what she asked.
She asked questions. She first asked, the interviewer who took my interview was a lady.
Okay.
So she asked what projects I had done in that field.
Okay.
So I had done a mini project, which was Kobe Bryant shot selection. So Kobe Bryant is a basketball player.
Okay.
So I had to, my project's agenda was to predict whether the shots which he put in his 20-year long career went in or not.
Okay.
So I had to explain her the different phases involved in the making of the project, which was feature selection and data visualization, and finally getting the result.
Okay.
So in each and every phase, when I spoke about it, she paused me there and asked questions related to that phase.
Like what question she asked?
Like in the feature selection, as to why did I select this particular feature?
Okay.
How is it going to affect the target, which is the shot prediction?
Okay.
So questions like this in each and every phase.
So every phase that you explain, they will be asking you with respect to that.
Yeah.
So this was with respect to machine learning. So any other question they asked in technical round?
Technical round, at least I received questions only regarding the domain which I mentioned.
You mentioned.
Yeah,
okay.
That was it.
Okay. So one more question which I would like to ask you is, was it for 10 to 15 minutes, and was it a panel interview or was it one-on-one interview?
It was a one-on-one interview.
And it went for 10 to 15 minutes?
Approximately 10 to 15 minutes.
And she asked only on machine learning?
Machine learning, yes.
Okay, fine. So after this, what happened?
So we finished the technical round and we were made to sit and wait for the results.
Okay.
But later, after an hour, we were given lunch break, and after an hour, a guy came and he told, mentioned around 10 to 15 names.
Okay.
So we were made to give another round.
Okay.
So we were kind of surprised and shocked actually. We didn't know whether we did bad, so we were sent to another round, or we did too good that we are getting promoted to another designation or something.
And this is the first time in an Infosys interview I am seeing that there are two technical rounds conducted after the first round, which means basically there are three rounds.
Yeah, basically three rounds.
Three rounds. The first round was the aptitude, the second round was the technical, and now is the third round. So can you please talk about the third round?
Yeah, so the third round, as I mentioned, around 15 of us were made to give the third round. So the third round was actually technical and HR combined.
Okay.
So this was actually the second round, which I mentioned before. Okay. So it is technical and HR combined.
Okay.
So the guy who took my interview is very sweet, luckily. So he first asked questions about myself as to where I'm from and all of that. And then he went into the depths of the technical, the basic level. So the questions he asked were basically on C coding, C programming language basics. Okay. So after that, he moved to speaking about my qualities, my strengths, and my weaknesses.
You told that in the third round, basically they asked on HR interviews also,
yes,
and even on programming also.
Technical.
So HR interview means basically they asked him about his qualities and programming. So let us come to this part first. So in C programming, what was the type of questions which was asked?
The questions were basics, sir. It was just basics, like basics of C programming. Like he mainly asked on data structures. The different type of data structures and all of that.
Okay, so basically he asked about arrays. Then other data structures, strings, functions, and all.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did he ask in that?
In data structures, in arrays, he concentrated mainly on arrays.
Okay.
The different type of sorting techniques like bubble sort, heap sort, insertion sort, all of that.
Okay. So all the basic sorting techniques he asked, which is like bubble sort he asked, insertion sort,
Yes.
heap sort he asked,
Yes.
and any other all the types of sorts.
No, and selection sort.
Selection sorts.
Yeah,
Okay.
these were the sorting techniques he asked.
Okay. Anything else apart from these sorting techniques?
No, he concentrated on this, and then he switched back to the HR perspective of it.
Okay. So in the HR perspective, HR interview, what did he ask you questions on?
He asked me what are my strengths,
Okay.
what are my weaknesses, which is generally common, I guess, like what all HRs ask.
Right.
And after that, he concentrated on whether if I'll be able to cope up if I'm transferred to some other city or some other state,
Okay.
as to how I'll be able to manage things
Okay.
and all of that. So concentrated mainly on my personality.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, they asked him like, if we shift you to some other city, will you be able to cope up? So basically, they were testing his adaptability skills. am I right?
Yeah.
Adaptive. How adaptive are you, and
Yeah.
how do you answer? How eager are you towards it? How optimistic are you in the interview?
Yes.
So this is
Yes.
what he was basically
Exactly.
testing.
Yes.
And I think you would have told yes.
Yeah.
To what he asked.
Yeah. And one more thing he asked was if I had plans of doing masters.
Okay.
So the obvious answer is no, because
Okay.
I wanted to get the job.
Okay.
So I told no, I had no plans of masters.
Okay.
And yeah, that was it.
Okay. So this was with respect to the third round. This is quite special. First time I'm hearing that in Infosys there were 3 rounds.
Yeah.
Okay. So after the interview which you faced, so then you got to know the result on the
Results.
same day.
Yeah, on the same day. That's the best part about Infosys.
Huh.
So you get the results on the same day.
Very nice. Very
Yeah.
nice. We are very happy, Anirudh, that you got placed in such a good company.
Thank you, sir.
Before we conclude the video, I would like to know, how did you end up joining Quant Masters?
This is actually, kind of different because each and every engineering college is basically there's something called as placement training.
Right.
So which happens generally, they concentrate mainly on final year students.
Right.
But luckily in our college, it started from the second year of engineering.
Okay.
So this was conducted, as you know, for 3 to 4 days. And we engineers, we never attend classes. We love bunking. So this was a funny incident actually.
Okay.
So we normally don't attend classes, so we thought of bunking. But after bunking for a consecutive 2 days, we were compelled to attend, and luckily we met you. So that was it, sir. You grabbed our attention so badly that because of your methods and your way of teaching, so that I fell in love with your teaching, and you lured me into joining Quant Masters.
Very nice. So I think that is why you even ended up joining
Quant Masters. Yeah, mainly because of that.
Okay. So you like the techniques.
Yes.
Okay. So once you joined our academy, that is Quant Masters, how did you find our classes, offline classes that you attended?
It was just amazing because the best part about Quant Masters is your questions. You personally come up with questions. You devise the questions. And the best part about it is the organization of the questions. The difficulty level, it is so beautifully organized.
Okay.
It easily goes, the fluency is from easy to moderate to difficult.
Okay.
So any person who's trying to solve the question, so the process of learning, the learning process is gradually it increases because he'll be able to grasp the concepts easily.
Okay.
So that's how it happens.
So I think this is how it has to be done.
Yeah.
So first we make them comfortable with the concepts. Once they have a good grip on the concept, that is when we take them to the next level. I think that is how you found it.
Best part.
So this is the best thing that you found in the class.
Yes, and your techniques.
Okay.
Your shortcut methods, which helped me a lot personally in my aptitude round.
Okay.
I could manage my time so efficiently in the first 2 sections, which is quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning,
Okay.
which helped me, which so that I could invest more time in the verbal reasoning, which actually requires more time.
True.
Yeah.
Did you find the techniques that we did in the class anywhere in the textbook or any
No,
video?
sir. No, sir.
No, you didn't
No,
find it. Okay.
definitely not.
Okay. So at Quant Masters, we devise our own techniques. It is through a lot of hard work and practice that we come out with techniques, and this is what helps students get placed in company. And we have a live example.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice to hear that. So Anirudh, we wish you all the best
Thank you,
for
sir.
your future endeavors.
Thank you.
May you have a very bright future.
Thank you.
Yeah. So before I conclude, I remembered one point, Anirudh. When I called you for the video, you look very happy, and you were like, "Yes, sir, I'll be there."
Yeah, I was more than happy, sir.
Okay.
Because mainly it's because aspirants who are looking for jobs,
Okay.
they'll generally be in search of platforms or YouTube channels to teach them as to how to prepare.
Okay.
but none of the channels or none of the platforms, at least I didn't find any channel or platform
Okay.
who teach aspirants or students company specific questions.
Okay.
So that is the best part about Quant Masters, why I would highly recommend, because you guys have already come up with that.
Right.
So it will help our viewers who are actually preparing for the jobs.
True.
So it will help them a lot.
True. Okay. Okay. Fine. Again, thanks a lot, Anirudh.
My pleasure, sir.
We had a really great time together, and again, we wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Any issues, please let us know.
Yeah, I'll bother you in the night if I have any problem,
Okay.
and I'm damn sure you'll pick up the call.
Okay. So we at Quant Masters are very happy and proud of our student Anirudh, who recently got placed at Infosys. So Anirudh, all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
We wish to see you reach greater heights in life.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this was Anirudh, who recently got placed in Infosys. We are very happy and proud of his achievements, and we wish him all the very best for his future endeavors. Few terms in the interview process that we spoke about, like insertion sort, selection sort, heap sort. Might be a few people wouldn't get connected to this, but no issues. You can watch our app, attend our offline classes, and get to know about it. One day, I'm sure that you will be seated next to us and you will be giving the interview. So, with this, I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.